You can use washers like this. There's a little dust on this one. And you can put them in line like that in your boat, see? Right? That one's the wrong. Right, and you can have larger ones for larger scale. And you can also flatten the sides and make it more like a cabin, larger cabin style, or an upper cabin on a larger scale boat. So that's washers, number one. Number two, screws with square edge. You can cut them off here at the stem and then put them in the boat, and they give you, you can file off, which I'll show you. You file off the square nicely, and you can get different sizes. That's number two. Number three, you can use raw plugs, and they can be painted gold afterwards, or plastic from kitchen countertop. Drywall nails. These are squared, one squared off, and the other one is made into a half round, and then this a flat to make it look more upper cabin style. And these are just the standard. Is carpet nails. You can have the half round here set when you file it. That's supposed to be square. And there's a little square with the carpet files. There's cardboard pieces, the old-fashioned way. You can just cut them up and make your little cabins in various styles. The rivets, which we used in my last boat. Get various sizes in rivets. Balls of wood. Another style. Tin. Right? You can make them out of tin. And then you can make wire cabins, and sometimes you want to incorporate wire with the tin. You can just solder that on there. You have these little electric clamps. You take out the screw and you drill a hole and you put them in. Oh, you got the brass finish. And you have these cannas on screws. They have for the flange of a screw to make it look pretty, but they make great cabin portholes. And there you go. Yeah, so you can make your own little cabin portholes with all things. This is a drywall screw. Here's just standard square edge screws, but I've already filed them off. Now filing is the best way to do it because you get a feel for what you're doing. So I already just did one little flat there. I'm going to do another one. I'm just going to show you how it's done. You just bring your file up and you can see what you're doing, see, and how square it is. See how nice that is? And you can make a square port window. Voila, it's nearly ready. And you just polish it off a bit. And you've got your port window like that instead of a, you know, you can use cardboard. Now, I just did these two screws as well, see? There you go. And You can also just do two sides and leave a half round on the top and bottom.